aka No Limits. Yeah man, just wanna thank you for listening to the album. You already know, bringing you something different and expect much more from me. Yeah man, from starting now onwards. Yeah man, big up to Tactic the producer. Big up to Dre Beats. Yeah man, Major Joker Beats. For the time taken to create this stuff. I appreciate you guys. Much love to the fans out there. Take much time to listen to the album more and more. We're bringing you sweetness and nothing else.
Nkhafuma kwa Chief Mwabulambia.